Welcome home to 61 Rains Circle, an updated 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom brick and mountain stone home with in-ground pool and 1-bed, 1-bath guest house. Just shy of 1 acre, 61 Rains Circle sits on a level, corner lot and also overlooks a nearby pond. There are updates throughout, including fresh paint, flooring, lighting, and appliances. The main home contains a master on the main level with large bay windows, jetted tub in the ensuite bathroom, and walk-in closet. The kitchen contains granite countertops, beautiful cabinetry, and black/stainless appliances. In the large living room, you'll find a gas fireplace with a beautiful mantle and large bay windows overlooking the pool area. There is also a large family room/den with a private office or study space above, perfect for working or schooling from home. Outside, you'll find the lined, in-ground pool which is surrounded by gorgeous decking and landscaping, creating a true oasis. The separate 1,000 square foot guest house contains its own kitchen, living area and bedroom, and has also been updated throughout. A single garage works perfectly as additional storage or workshop. There is also an additional storage area off the back of the garage for equipment or use as additional workspace. With so many spaces to live, work and play, 61 Rains Circle will not last long. Schedule your private showing today.